Feed the ostrich. Eat ostrich. Here, ostrich. Eat. Eat.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down.
Like rabbit? Don't touch the bird.
Nagiyabo naman niya. No more na, Jaira. Hi, bird. Eat bird.
Open your eyes. Mahal mo? Si Baba Black Sheep, no? Si Baba Black Sheep. Don't touch the sheep, ah. Don't touch it. That's good. That's dirty. Mrs. Duck, Jero, Mrs. Duck. Si Mrs. Duck.
Ha?
Ay!
So, do you want to play? Tama na siguro muna to. Mahaba leeg, oh. Ay, throw it away. Throw it away, Jaira. Eat horse. Eat. Eat horse. Wow. Ay!
Wow, they're so pretty.
So pretty.
Ah. Mommy.
Eat horse.
Ay, idol yung kamot, mami, ha?
Horse.
Ang gamot ba?
Okay, eat horse. Eat. Okay.
Hooray. Ow.
Okay, feed the carabao.
Asa okay, baka hanapin niya si kuan, mami? Baka hanapin niya si... First time din ako nakakita ng donkey.
Share donkey.
Ang donkey po, tsaka po yung mini.
Babalatan. This, like this.
Huwag ka, may, ha?
Yan po yung baboy na tuturuan.
Ah, ito yun.
Tulad po sa aso.
Sino?
The pig, the goat, the goat.
Ito din po man para po sa... Ano po patmelo po. Wow!
Salad.
Dengan ikut alas 7:30. 7:30 nanti habis lang ako. Kau ka saglit. Ay, ito bitaw mapiyo pa or chrysalis. So kailangan namin isipan.
Butter.
Buhay ko, ma'am.
Open your hands.
Open. Don't close. It's okay.
It's okay.
Wow.
Look at the butterfly. It's okay.
It's okay. Open your hands.
Open your hands.
Scared?
Look at daddy.
Look at him.
Don't be scared.
Wow. It's okay.
Ah,
Ano? A butterfly!
look at daddy.
Oh, look, daddy, oh.
Wow.
Wow, your turn. Okay.
Open your hands.
Open your hands. Don't be afraid.
Open.
It's okay.
No!
You scared?
Ito.
Oh, look, kuya, oh.
Oh.
Yan, sa fitness. Yan, ito na po. Next naman po tayo sa...
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Press and raw and natural. So, hindi siya process o niluto. Pag niluto po natin ng honey, wala na siyang sustansya. Sweet kayo na lang. Kaya kung gumagamit kayo ng honey niyo sa tea or sa coffee dati.
Okay.
Is picture, go! Hold mo to, kunyari beekeeper ka. Hold it. One more. Hold.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. A beekeeper. Jaira is a beekeeper. Jaira, come here. Say cheese.